amazing explorers, and welcome to our underwater adventure. Are you ready to dive deep into the big blue ocean and meet some of the most incredible animals on our planet? Grab your goggles, because we're about to make a splash. First up, let's say hello to the friendliest face in the sea, the dolphin. Did you know dolphins are super smart? They're mammals just like us, which means they breathe air. They love to chat with each other using clicks and whistles, and you can often see them leaping playfully out of the water. They're like the acrobats of the ocean. Now, look over there. It's a majestic sea turtle, gracefully gliding through the water. Sea turtles have been swimming in our oceans for a very long time, even before the dinosaurs. They have a hard shell that protects them like their own personal suit of armor. They travel thousands of miles to lay their eggs on the same beach where they were born. What an amazing journey! Whoa! What has 8 arms and loves to give hugs to rocks and shells? It's the octopus. These clever creatures are masters of disguise. They can change their color and texture in the blink of an eye to blend in with their surroundings. This helps them hide from bigger fish and sneak up on their snacks. And get this, they have 3 hearts. Imagine that! Let's swim over to the colorful coral reef. Wow! Look at all the different fish. Can you spot the bright orange and white one? That's a clownfish. Just like in the movies, clownfish love to live in sea anemones. The anemone's tentacles protect the clownfish from other fish, and in return, the clownfish helps keep the anemone clean. They're the best of buddies. Now, let's meet a gentle giant of the ocean, the whale shark. Don't let the shark part scare you. These are the biggest fish in the sea, but they are very gentle. They are filter feeders, which means they swim with their huge mouths open, gulping up tiny plants and animals called plankton. They're like giant underwater vacuum cleaners, but much more peaceful. Look down at the sandy bottom. See that star-shaped animal? It's a starfish, or as scientists call it, a sea star. They come in all sorts of bright colors, shapes, and sizes. A really cool fact about sea stars is that if they lose an arm, they can grow a new one right back. How incredible is that? Our ocean adventure is coming to an end. But wasn't that amazing? We met so many wonderful sea animals, from the playful dolphin to the clever octopus and the giant whale shark. The ocean is a magical place full of life and wonder, and it is so important that we help keep it clean and safe for all our underwater friends. Thank you for exploring with me today. If you had fun and want to go on more adventures, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. Bye-bye.